Dear students, we are going to cover power series, Taylor series and Lorentz series. Okay, so in the background there is thunder and lightning, so I apologize for that. I hope my voice will be clear. Okay, and screen is also clear. Okay, so that's what we need, right? So if I have written this power series, okay, an z minus z naught to the power n, this infinite series can be written and opened like this. Okay, so this is a power series, this is known as power series about z is equal to z naught. So what is this? This is power series about z is equal to z naught. Alright, where a naught, a1 or and dot dot an, so these constants are real or complex, they can be both. Okay, now what are the qualities? So what is this point z naught? Z naught can be understood as center of the power series, okay, about which you have expanded. Okay, so these some of the qualities that you must understand before you attempt a question. Okay, so can you tell me one thing which is very important? This power series or infinite power series, will it converge? Yes. At z is equal to z naught, this is a converging series. And how can you tell? You can, alright. So as I was saying, is it a converging series? Yes. At z is equal to z naught, it is a converging series. Why and how, basically? So just put z is equal to z naught. What do you get? You will get a naught, right? So you are getting some value, bounded value of this function or of this series. That is why this series is a converging series. Okay. Now, can you expand it about z is equal to z? If z naught is 0, what will happen? So just this series will reduce to n equal to 0 to infinite an z to the power n a naught plus a1 z plus a2 z square plus dot 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 plus an z to the power n plus dot dot dot. So this will reduce to this format. Now if I ask you to find the radius of convergence or domain of convergence or circle of convergence for this series, so we have a theorem. For a given function fz, if you can write this fz in this format, an z minus z naught to the power n, alright, find a limit. This is L star, and what is that? If limit n tending to infinite mod of an plus 1, this coefficient an plus 1 upon an. If you find this limit, whatever the value you find, then radius of convergence would be 1 upon L star. Okay, as simple as that. What would be domain of convergence? So domain of convergence, just simply take z minus z naught, mod of this should be less than r. So this is what? Domain of convergence. Okay, or if I ask you circle of convergence, this is the equation of circle, right? So this is circle of convergence. Now we will do one question based on this. Okay, so another question, sorry about the background noise by the way. So find radius of convergence and domain of convergence for this one. Sigma n factorial whole square upon 2n factorial to z to the power n. As I told you, you have to find the limit. Okay, so this is what the power series you are given, and you have to find the radius of convergence and circle of convergence. Limit n tending to infinite, you will find an plus 1 upon an. What will happen? Limit. It is very simple question. I am just doing it for practice, so that you can attempt any question. So this is the procedure you have to follow to find radius of convergence. You can try it for any question, right? So this would be what? an plus 1 would be n plus 1 factorial whole square upon 2n plus 2, it would be careful here, into 2n factorial upon n factorial whole square. Just open it, simplify this so that this will be cancelled out. You will be left with this, and here 2n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 into factorial 2n, that will be cancelled out there. Just take n square common from the numerator and n square common from the denominator. What will be the value? 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 4. So L star is 4. So what would be radius of convergence? 1 by L star, that would be 1 upon 1 by 4, that is 4. Okay. Now what would be circle of convergence or domain of convergence? See, it is not z minus z naught, right? So it would be mod of z minus 0 less than r. R is 4, right? Or circle of convergence can be written like this. Okay. So thank you so much for watching the video. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.